Camila. First of all, I love you, I miss you. I'm so excited because guess what? I have my first ever makeup collection. I partnered with L'Oreal Paris, and it's called the Havana Collection. Boom, boom, boom. I'm so proud of it, and I would use literally every single one of the products. Is it shiny? Is it pencil? Is it liquid? I'm gonna tell you right now. Let's go. What's really great about this bronzer is that it's super, super light and it's super natural. And it just gives you a nice little tan without having to go into the sun. Just use this bronzer. It also gives you that just a little glow, just a little pop. Next, we have 4 eyeshadows. My favorites are Oh Na Na, which is this one. It has a little shimmer and it's really natural, so you could just kind of go like that. I like to feel like a fairy. Just kidding. And this is the In Love, because it is also like a little piece of fairy dust. Ta-da! So next is the eyeliner. This is a liquid liner, and it goes from thin to thick super easily and stays on for a long time too. And we're back with the brows. And it's also really, really natural. You just fill them in a little bit. Done. Okay, so this is my favorite lip gloss color, and it's called Serendipity. It's my favorite word. It means a fateful accident or like a fortunate coincidence. My favorite thing to use right now. There we go. And what I love about this collection, it comes in these 4 different shades. Again, works with every skin tone, beautiful on every skin tone. Yeah, hopefully you guys really love it. That's the Havana collection with L'Oreal Paris. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching.